Okay, so now I'm going to show you one of the most critical parts of assembling your rocket, and that is to put the motor mount into the body tube. So in order to do this, you'll need your body tube that you've already cut to the right length, and you'll need your motor mount, which you should have made a day ago, and it should be nice and dry by now. So get those two things, and then we'll put this together. So go grab those and then come on back. Okay, the first thing to do is to figure out where the front and the back of your motor mount is. Remember, the front of your motor mount is where the thrust ring has been glued in the top, and the back is where the motor clip sticks out the back. And then your shock cord is eventually going to go out the front, but for right now you want to thread it backwards through the motor mount so that it's out of the way. So take that and thread it backwards to the motor mount so it's out of the way. And then figure out which is the top and the bottom of your rocket. If you cut your rocket yourself and one end is a little jagged and the other one was the original one, was nice and smooth, put the smooth one up where the nose cone is going to be. That'll work better for you. And then put the motor mount at the back. And again, just like when we were building our motor mount, we're going to dry fit this first to make sure we know how it fits. And this should just slide right in to your body tube without a problem. And we're going to put your motor mount in so that it sticks out just about that much, so that the back centering ring is just inside there. It's not super critical. If you want to, you can put it all the way in all the way. You got to make sure that that's the way you designed your rocket. But I usually leave a little bit hanging out. I leave just about 12 millimeters hanging out the back, and so that's how we're going to put it in. So you should dry fit yours to make sure it slides in there nice and neat. If it's not sliding in real easily, then you're going to need to adjust a few things. You might need, if you've gotten some glue spots on your centering rings, then you might have to sand them off a little bit. But it should slide in there pretty. Again, it's not going to be super smooth. It's going to be snug, which it should be. So do that first, and when you're sure that it fits in there, then we'll go to the gluing part.